Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from algebra which we will be solving for real values of x. So let's get started. X belongs to real number. So we can say our radicand must be positive this time. So x minus 4 should be greater than 0. It cannot be equal to 0 because denominator cannot be 0. So x should be greater than 4. For x to be real, our answer should be greater than 4. If it is not, then we are going to get complex solutions. Now we can cross multiply and write x square minus 15x plus 72 equal to 8 square root 2 times 4th root of x minus 4. Now we know that square root of 2. If I will raise power 2, so I can write 4th root, then we need to write here 2 square, which is nothing but 4th root of 4. So in place of square root 2, we can write 4th root 4. Let's write x square minus 15x plus 72 equal to 8 times 4th root of 4 times 4th root of x minus 4. We can club these two 4th roots and write equation x square minus 15x plus 72 equal to 8 times 4th root of 4 times x minus 4. Now we have 8 over here, which we can write 4 times 2. So I will write 4 times 2 times 4th root of 4 times x minus 4. Now 2 can be written as 4th root 16. So I will write here 4 times 4th root of 16 times 4th root of 4 times x minus 4. Again we have to club these two 4th roots. We will get x square minus 15x plus 72 equal to 4 times 4th root of 16 times 4 times x minus 4. Now 16 can be factorized as 4 times 4. So we'll be writing 4 times 4th root of 4 times 4 times 4 times x minus 4. 4th root of 4 times 4 times 4 times x minus 4. It's recalling geometric mean. We have condition on x should be greater than 4. So this quantity is always greater than 0. The rest of the numbers are positive. So we will consider 4, 4, 4 and x minus 4. And let's find out AM and GM of these 4 numbers. So AM must be equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus x minus 4 over total count of numbers divided by 4. We'll cancel plus and minus 4. We will write here x plus 8 over 4. So AM is, arithmetic mean is x plus 8 over 4. Let's find out geometric mean, which will be equal to 4th root of 4 times 4 times 4 times x minus 4, which is here. So we will use AM greater than or equal to GM inequality to find solutions in a simplest possible way. So I will write here AM should be greater than or equal to GM, or we can write GM should be less than or equal to AM. So AM is x plus 8 over 4 and GM is 4th root of 4 times 4 times 4 times x minus 4. We'll multiply both sides by 4 and get 4 times 4th root of 4 times 4 times 4 times x minus 4. This quantity should be less than or equal to x plus 8. Now I will write our equation first. Here it is. Now you can see RHS of equation is LHS of inequality. So we will write x square minus 15x plus 72. This should be less than or equal to x plus 8. Now x is greater than 4. We will subtract both sides x plus 8. So I will write here minus x minus 8 minus x minus 8. So in RHS we are going to cancel plus x minus x plus 8 minus 8. We will write 0 over there. And in LHS we will be writing x square minus 16x plus 64 less than or equal to 0. X square minus 16x plus 64 less than or equal to 0. Now this is one perfect square of x minus 8. X minus 8 whole square is x square minus 16x plus 64. It is less than or equal to 0. Now we know that x minus 8 whole square cannot be negative. This cannot be true for x to be real. This will be true for complex solutions. So this equality will hold true. We will write x minus 8 whole square will be equal to 0 only. It cannot be less than 0 for x to be real. We'll take a square root both sides and write x minus 8 equal to 0. By adding 8 to both sides, we'll be getting our only real solution x equal to 8. Now we'll be verifying our result. So let me write here check for x equal to 8. Let's find out LHS. Here it is. We will write x square, so we can write 8 square minus 15 times 8. Then we have plus 72 in the numerator, and in denominator we have 4th root of 8 minus 4. 8 square is 64 minus 15 times 8 120 plus 72. 64 plus 72 is 136. In denominator we have 4th root of 4. So 64 plus 72 136 minus 120 over 4th root of 4 is square root 2 also will be equal to 16 over square root 2. Now we will rationalize our denominator, so we can multiply numerator denominator by square root 2. We will get 16 over 2, it is 8 times root 2. In RHS we have 8 root 2 already. So LHS equal to RHS will say x equal to 8 is the only real solution which will satisfy our radical equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.